Hi, my name is Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mango salsa. Now, this refreshing homemade salsa goes really well with grilled fish, chicken, hamburgers, hot dogs, or even just served with tortilla chips. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is combine 2 diced fresh mangoes, which I already have here, with a half of a red onion, and I've minced that up quite well. I have 1 red bell pepper, minced up small, 1 jalapeno pepper. Again, that was minced up. I took out the seeds because I don't like the extra heat, but if you do prefer a lot more heat, then go ahead and keep those in. I have 1/4 cup of cilantro chopped up, and I'm just going to give this a stir real quick. It already looks really pretty. How that looks. Okay, so the last couple of ingredients that I have is the juice of 1 lime. Now, you might want to go ahead and add a second lime to this, but it's going to depend on whether or not it just needs a little bit more flavor or not. And then I'm just going to salt this to taste. So I'm just going to sprinkle this in, and then after, you let this chill for a while, you'll be able to know if you need to add a little bit more salt. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all up, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes, and then I will show you what it looks like.